So next to go, the 17-year-old from Santa Clara, California, the winner of the Four Continents event at the end of last season, 6th in Skate Canada, 5th going into the free here. Yes, music from Gone with the Wind for Polina Edmunds. Combination. Perfect. Triple Lutz, triple toe loop. Great height.
Lightness, sharpness and beauty in the movements. Generating lots of ice coverage.
Triple flip, loop into a triple salcho. So much height, but I think she got through the triple loop.
Super centering on the camel spin, the change of edge within it. And as ever, this beautiful grace.
So confident there, long build up to the triple flip, just had to step out of it. As well, triple loop, double toe. Very strong. Technically super,
Polina Edmunds.
She's got a lot of grace on the ice, and I'm struggling to find out why I don't find it more exciting than I do, because I can't find any fault in it, and I'm sure she's going to be pressing for a medal.
Well, what really comes over to me again and again every time I see Polina skate is the wonderful balletic quality of the performance. If you took the ice away, she would be the prima ballerina out there. In certain parts of that routine, you could literally take the ice away and have her doing the steps on the ballet floor, on the stage. And that is super, to be able to transpose that onto the ice within the program and have that level of performance is quite extraordinary and lovely in its way, and powerful in her skating too. That she's got the good rise in the knee and that softness in the ankle, and she captured different feels of the emotion within it, keeping the outside edge on to the Lutz, getting round. That's right at the start, so she made sure that she was right round, and I think round on the second part of the combination too. Here it is again. Is she right round? Yes, she is. So that's a good start. Lots of speed going into that jump. A little bit tighter on the second part of the combination, catching the toe. But look, the beauty of the arms and using the weight, those little steps, that bit. All the Russian audience here, having been brought up on the ballet as well as the figure skating, will appreciate the quality of that presentation. The flip, not a favourite jump. Might get just a little bit of a reduction there, but working hard to get the second part of the combination. So she's focused. Here's the loop. That bit better. Those lovely arms again, flowing out. The transition's excellent.
Sure, she was round there.
Yeah, she does have a tendency sometimes just to not be completely round, catch the toe. And that against some of the other girls we'll see who are right on the money as terms of landing. Makes a difference in the quality of the jumps, the grade of execution the judges will give it.
So she's put herself in contention for a medal. She'll lead, that's for sure, and lead by a little way. 113.84. I'm surprised it's as muted as that, but she's 4 points into the lead, and a little bit of pressure on the top four from Polina Edmunds.